tastes like the most decadent hot chocolate, but cold, like iced, obviously.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys, so you guys know I'm great with these angles, horrible angles of myself. It's okay. I'm just laying across my bed that I have to make because I haven't made my bed today yet. But just kind of wanted to be a little bit transparent with you guys. I don't want to say I'm having a hard day, but I'm having an emotional day. I'm feeling very, very, very sad today, and I'm trying to keep it together. I do have like my work event a little bit later today, and it's like themed, and I'm gonna dress up. At least I think I am right now. But I'm just feeling really sad, like tears, sad, like I want to cry. And I've been struggling with this, and I've mentioned it on my channel here before, you know, where I've had some mental health struggles. I'm still having mental health struggles, but you know, a day at a time, a moment at a time. That's how I kind of deal with it, just getting past, you know, whatever moment we're in, getting to the next moment, the next day, the next hour, the next whatever your goal post point, I don't know how to say that, your next goal point you want to make it, like that's my advice to you, just so you don't become super overwhelmed like I usually do. But yeah, I am having a day for sure. I'm feeling very, very emotional, very sad, very like I want to cry. I think I might just take like a lunchtime nap. I usually am like absolutely not, because then I'm really tired. But you ever feel like you just need like a little bit of a reset? I feel like that's where I'm at. Like I need a little bit of a reset so I don't like bring this energy out with me. And I also don't want to sit in this energy. Like who the hell wants to do that? So yeah, don't think because you see people posting like happy content all the time that they're just happy all the time, and that if you're sad something is wrong with you. That's really the main reason why I wanted to share this moment. You're not by yourself in feeling sad or down or even crying sometimes. Like, we're all humans and we're just trying to figure things out. And I don't know about you guys, but life has been kind of nuts lately, so it's an adjustment for sure. But yeah, this too shall pass. And if you are needing some love sent your way, just know I'm sending you guys all the love. Alright, I'll talk to you guys once I'm feeling a little bit better. My face looks so... First, I need to clean up. But yesterday was Mother's Day, and yeah, I didn't do anything all weekend. Also, I didn't do anything... When I say I didn't do anything all weekend, I mean I didn't do any housekeeping things all weekend. My face is really dry. I just washed my face, and I need to go moisturize. But that brings me to my next point, which is I'm trying to hurry up and get out of here so I can drop Jake off at school. And then I want to go hit up this bakery. It's not a new bakery. I mean, it is kind of a newish bakery. I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys things from it before, but I'm really feeling one of their stuffed croissants for breakfast, and maybe I want to get myself an iced coffee because I need to get work done and I need to attack this house at some point, which means I need a lot of energy. And I said I was going to start working out today again. I mean, I've been doing little things, but like a full-blown workout I'm very nervous about and excited, but whatever. I need energy today, so I think I really want to go get a nice coffee. I know I can make it at home, but you know, treat yourself a little bit. Depends on what time we get out of here and if I have enough time to take Jake to school, grab it, and come back home before I have to start work. So we'll see. Anywho, yeah, this weekend was the first weekend in a while. I mean, outside of last weekend because I was out of town. That doesn't count. but this was the first weekend in like a long time that I only came home to sleep. Like I was only here long enough to fall asleep. I didn't get to watch anything. Like I was just out literally all day. I would get up, get dressed, and go. Like the whole weekend. But it's okay. It was a lovely weekend. I'm tired, but it's alright. We're about to start this new week. So let's get this vlog started. Alright, so we're headed. Oh my god, the sun is not playing. Say good morning, Jake. Happy week.
Good morning.
Happy new week.
Yeah.
How you clearly are feeling tired, right? You okay? Okay. Anything you want to say to them before you get dropped off? Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys inside the bakery, but I'll try and record on my phone or something. But I just wanted you guys to get a chance to see Jake before he was dropped off. All right, bye. Go ahead, puppy. Sorry, I cut him off.
I said bye.
Okay, so hopefully the lighting's okay because I got a cool 10 minutes before I have to be at work. So I just want to show you guys before I get upstairs, because I know me, I'll get upstairs and start eating. So I just got an iced mocha. I spilled it because I'm clumsy, but y'all, it looks so good. I can't wait to drink that. I'm a little bit worried because I forgot to say almond milk, so it's like regular milk, but I'm not worried in the sense of it's gonna do anything to my stomach. I'm worried in the sense of I spilled it in my car and I cleaned it up, but you guys know milk is, it's tricky. Anyways, and then I got myself a turkey and cheese croissant. It's still a little bit warm, yes. Oh, look at this. It's gonna be so good. It's like rolled up turkey and cheese in there, some sesame seeds and cheese on top. It's always, always, always fire. I love it. But yeah, I'm about to head upstairs. I got 10 minutes, so I have to clock in, which is fine. And then I know I'm just gonna start working. So hopefully I can just like check emails first so that I can, I guess, vlog a little bit. But if I can't vlog right now, I'll vlog for you guys throughout the day. Yeah, you already know. I'm starting to do these like weekly ones. They're a little bit longer, but not even that much longer, to be honest, but more interesting content because I work from home, so a lot of the times I'm just home working, you know, just regular life things over here. So I mean, if you're into that, let me know. If you guys want to see me do a different kind of content, let me know that too. I am trying to bring back reviews. I have a couple of other things that are going on, but I thought I should mention I'm gonna bring back reviews eventually. That's my goal. I just gotta work my way up to that. Not work my way up to that. It's making sense in my head. I'm realizing it's not making sense, like, coming out of my mouth. Anyways, all right, let me go to work. All right, so I am working. I need to fill out my calendar because it's like the 9th and I haven't done anything on my calendar. Added anything. They're doing construction in my building again. Yay. Hopefully it's not too annoying. I can cut it out in editing. I'm listening to Ape-ish, if it will load. Yeah. I'm listening to Ape-ish. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning already, so honestly, I've gotten a lot done, like getting things cleaned up, doing some housekeeping things work-wise. I need to clean my desk area because I got a lot to do, but I'm finally getting a chance to eat. I was tied up doing work things, like I said, and I'm excited. Oh my god, look at, and these things are huge. It's like the size of my face. Look, it's very big. Well, not the size of my face, but I got a big ass face. I don't. I do. Anyway, I hate when I hear like weird sounds out of nowhere, and this is gonna be all day. Pause. Alright, anyway, so yeah, I'm getting some work done. I'm about to eat really quick. This iced coffee tastes like the most decadent hot chocolate, but cold. Like iced, obviously, you know. Hopefully I explained that well. Okay, I'm gonna eat and get back to work because clearly you guys are not gonna be able to hear me right now. Whenever they're done, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it then. So I have decided that my hair is up and bun on me. Back you guys up slowly. Messy bun, don't care. Anyway, so I've decided that this week, as long as I feel okay, because it is supposed to be Shark Week at the end of the week, if you catch my drift. Anyway, as long as I'm feeling good, this week is going to be a spring cleaning week for me. I really want to get a lot of things organized. I really need to work on Jake's room because it is constantly a hot mess, and I just feel like we need a better system in there. Because I really do want to get him a new bedroom set, and I can't do that if it looks cluttered because I don't know what I want to do in there. You know what I mean? Most of the time he'll just end up like creeping in my bed anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but I want him to have a space at the very least where he feels comfortable like being in there and doing his homework, because he'll come do it out here and stuff, and I know it's because it's just constantly messy. Also, he hates putting clothes away, so there's always clothes everywhere, and I hate it because like, why am I folding it if you're just gonna throw it everywhere? Anywho, this is not a Jake rant. We were all preteens and had messy rooms, and he does clean up after himself for the most part, but it's like almost inevitable that his room will get messy and he just has to clean it. My room is messy right now. It's not dirty, but it's messy because I have so many products. I also need to do a product purge because my dresser is like, I would like to have a clear dresser. That's not where we are right now. So, anywho, let me show you guys really quickly. Look, literally 2 minutes. I still have to attack my corner. This is where I have like some exercise stuff. I'm probably gonna end up doing this as a spring cleaning week. I am watching YouTube. I always have YouTube playing in the background while I'm working. If not, I have like lo-fi music. Lo-fi? I don't know. Don't come for me. I'm trying. But yeah, I want to do a spring cleaning because it's spring, and I don't know, the cleaner my space, the fresher my mind feels. So that's what we're working on. Ooh, my skin is looking all right. I need to do a face mask today too, but I'm gonna wait for Jake to come home from school because he loves doing face masks with me. I just put hydrating ones on him, and then I need to do a like detox mask on myself because especially here, I know why. Like I said, it's about to be Shark Week. So first of all, Bubba's home. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. Second of all, my living room is together. Thankfully, I'm watching Asia, and let me show you guys. Well, this is not perfect. It's much better, and we filled out our calendar. So woohoo!